Are you guys even aware what you guys did to our lives? Are you guys even aware of what you guys did to us as a family on that day?
Miss Khumalo? Miss Khumalo? Miss Khumalo?
The damage that you guys caused.
Miss Khumalo, you're not supposed to do that.
My Lord, I strongly object to this.
Ma'am, you're still in the process of identifying the persons who came into the house. If you can just do that and refrain from further comments. And you're still pointing a person. Who is it?
It's him.
It's him.
The second one there.
Yes.
Zandie Khumalo, who is Kelly Khumalo's younger sister, was finally in court today. She testified in the Senzo Meyiwa trial, and at this time, you guys, she pointed out to a suspect and said that he was the one who had came into the house that fateful night and had unfortunately shot and deleted Senzo Meyiwa. She pointed at the second suspect and said that it is him, that Kiena, who walked in that fateful night and shot Senzo Meyiwa. Zandile painfully sobbed as she asked those suspects if they had any idea what kind of damage they had done, caused in their lives, you guys. Now, please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on the flip side. Bye.